What if we told you that the Earth is already 1.5 degrees warmer than in the pre-industrial era? This isn't a hypothetical scenario, but rather our current reality. We've reached this significant threshold sooner than expected, and the implications are daunting. Scientists are sounding the alarm over the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or AMOC, a vital system of ocean currents in the Atlantic. It's on the verge of slipping due to rapid ice melt. If this system collapses, Europe could face a chilling drop in temperatures by an average of 10 degrees Celsius. The southern hemisphere might experience intensified warming, while the Amazon region could see a reversal of its rainy and dry seasons. Sea levels could rise at a pace that outstrips our ability to adapt. All this suggests we've breached the key 1.5-degree limit agreed upon in the Paris Climate Agreement. The burning question remains: can we reverse the course of climate change? To shed light on this crucial issue, we turn to the views and opinions of Dr. Douglas Harrison, a renowned climatologist at the Pratt Climate Institute. Dr. Harrison's work, steeped in meticulous research and rigorous analysis, provides a comprehensive outlook on our current climate situation. He believes that we have indeed crossed the 1.5-degree threshold, a significant milestone that was not expected to be reached for several more years. This, he says, is a clear indicator that our planet is heating up far quicker than anticipated. Dr. Harrison's studies reveal that the temperature increase is not just a number on the scale, but a harbinger of far-reaching implications. One of the most alarming among these is the potential collapse of the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or AMOC, a vital system of ocean currents in the Atlantic. According to Dr. Harrison, rapid ice melt is causing the AMOC to wobble, and should it fail, the consequences would be dire. Europe could face a dramatic drop in temperatures by up to 10 degrees Celsius on average, plunging the continent into what could only be described as a mini ice age. But it's not just Europe that would bear the brunt. Dr. Harrison warns that warming could intensify in the southern hemisphere, leading to extreme weather conditions and jeopardizing food security. Rainy and dry seasons could flip in the Amazon, disrupting ecosystems and impacting millions of lives. And then there's the matter of rising sea levels. Dr. Harrison's research suggests that if the AMOC collapses, sea levels could rise at a pace that would outstrip humanity's ability to adapt. Coastal cities would be inundated, displacing millions, if not billions, of people worldwide. So, the question arises, can we reverse climate change? Dr. Harrison's answer, while not entirely optimistic, does offer a glimmer of hope. He believes that while we can't turn back the clock, we can certainly slow the pace of change and mitigate its most disastrous effects. It would require a seismic shift in our behaviors and policies, a collective commitment to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and a global embrace of sustainable practices. Dr. Harrison's insights serve as a stark reminder of the state of our planet. The climate crisis is not a distant threat, but a present reality. We are indeed on borrowed time, and the clock is ticking. But it's not too late to make a difference. As Dr. Harrison rightly points out, the time to act is now. With the climate tipping point upon us, it is imperative for each one of us to take action. We're living in a time where the world is 1.5 degrees warmer than the pre-industrial era, a milestone we weren't supposed to reach for years or even decades. The alarm bells are ringing. The Atlantic's ocean currents are on the brink of collapse, threatening to plunge Europe into icy temperatures and intensify warming in the southern hemisphere. The question is no longer if we've surpassed the 1.5-degree limit set by the Paris Climate Agreement, but rather, how can we reverse the tide? Our response must be swift, decisive, and unified. We must reduce our carbon footprints, support sustainable practices, and demand climate action from our leaders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Disaster File channel for more insights on pressing global issues. Together, we can make a difference.